Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your love and work forecast for the year 2022, friends. Yes, for Leos, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Leo, this reading is for you. If you're new on Leo, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram, and friends. If you want to buy a personal reading, your own 2022 readings, you can visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. And friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. Also keep that in mind, it is for your future. So it will resonate with you when the year starts, or even now it will resonate with you, but it will make more sense when the year starts. And also, this is a charms reading. I will be pulling your charms, and today we will look in your love life, at your work and career through the year. So let's begin, Leos. How your year will be? Let's see what is gonna happen for you. Happy New Year, Leos. Happy New Year. I really wish your New Year is great for everyone, not just for Leos, for everyone. Let's see the theme of the year, Leos. King of Cups, the Four of Swords, Leos, and the Ace of Swords. Oh my God. So this is a year when you are taking a break, friends. Yes, this year seems to be divided for you, Leos. Like at times you will be taking some rest, healing, recouping. This is a year of major healing for you, friends. Yes, I do feel some of you may actually change your life and become more self-aware about your health, about your mental emotional well-being. Also, I feel you have been through a lot, Leos. Your last month's reading was really intense, so and this year was very intense for you, and I do feel like in the year 2022 you will be making sure to get some rest and also to achieve your goals, because yes, a big powerful breakthrough is coming for you, Leos. Yes, Ace of Swords. Some of you could actually be getting a contract, a deal that will change your life. Some of you actually will be starting something new, journalist job or any something related with communications, publications. It will change your life, friends. Yes, some of you may be going back to schools and colleges in the year 2022, and that will also bring you a positive change, a new change. Another thing I'm feeling is, friends, you are going to change the way you look, the way you dress up in the year. This is the year of powerful breakthroughs, Leos. So something that is stuck for you, it will be moving, it will be resolved. A breakthrough will happen. The King of Cups, yes, this is going to be an emotional year for you, friends. Leos, you're gonna fall in love. You're gonna feel a lot of connection with your spirit guides, with your ancestors, with your family, soulmates. Spiritual connections will happen for you. Yes, this is a year where a lot of people will be important for you. This will also be a year, Leos, when connections will happen. It's an emotional year for you, Leos. Yes, something will happen. I feel like the year is divided into two parts for you, Leo. First is you will be taking some rest, and the next part is you will be working hard, and you will be changing, and you will really enjoy both the parts, when you are taking some rest and enjoying, happy days, relaxed days, and then when something happens and you are enjoying those busy days also. So it's a great energy. Let's see what else. Clarify the King of Cups. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person may be coming in for you. Ace of Wands. Oh my God. So it is a very powerful new energy. I do feel that there is going to be a double new start for you, Leos. Yes. This is a very powerful new start for you, Leos, and some of you could actually leave something and start something, and both will be like a new dawn, a new shift in your life. I do feel some of you could be going back to schools or colleges. Some of you could be starting the job of your life, changing your destiny. So I do see becoming doctors, becoming lawyers, journalism, channeling, mediumship. all these things will be super important for you. The crow, your connection with your spirit guides will be growing, Leo. So this is a very, very, very big year for you. This is the year of breakthroughs. This is the year of you connecting with your power, Leos. This is a very, very powerful year. I cannot describe it in words also, but you are changing, you are shifting, and yes, there will be weight involved in this year. Sometimes you may have to wait 2 3 months to achieve something or to get this new breakthroughs, but they will happen. Let's see your love life, Leos, in the year 2022. Leo's love life in the year 2022. All right. Love life at the end of the year for Leos. So let's see. At the first half of the year, friends, definitely there is going to be a new start in your relationships. Look at this. The Fool is here. So, yes, some of you could be entering a new relationship, or if you are married, your love life or partnership is entering a new phase where you start, where you feel more excitement for each other. I do see you are excited about your love life at the start of the year. And yes, the Sun, there is a lot of harmony, compatibility in your relationships. If you are single, you are attracting somebody who is extremely famous, who is extremely good looking, as well as someone who could be your twin flame or a very, very important soulmate. So, wow, twin flame relationships are very important for you, Leos. Ten of Swords. I do feel, yes, some of you could also be ending a relationship or ending a conflict in your relationship in the first half of the year. Some of you are moving out, like ending some past obstacles, challenges. Some of you could also be shifting, relocating homes, and this will change a lot. This will bring a lot of positive change in your love life. Six of Pentacles. Yes, karmic issues will be resolving in your love life, Leos. Your first half of the year is good karma coming back, end of challenges, end of delays, goodness, happiness, compatibility, and some positivities coming in your relationships. Even if you are single, you will meet more positive people. And if you are in a relationship, the past burdens will lift and some happiness will come your way. And also inheritances and properties and all those things will be important in your love life in the first half of the year. Let's see the second half of the year. Wow, mid of the year, is quite interesting for you. I see a lot of people will be important for you. Knight of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. Page of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person will be important. I feel the mid of the year you will have to rest a little, Leos, because this is the time when you may feel very logical. Your person may also feel very logical. Chances of debate, chances of conflict, or difference of opinion may happen. And that is exactly when you need to go into this meditation mode. Four of Swords. Wait, take your time, do not jump the gun. The Tower, yes, your relationships, I'm sorry to say, will be tested in the middle of the year. And it will be good because you will realize how strong your love life is and how strong the love is in your relationships. Four of Pentacles. You do not need to worry, that your relationships are strong or not, because they are. The only thing you need to keep in mind in the mid of the year is that you will have to keep your patience, Leos. Yes, also you will have to make your communications softer and gentler, because you and your person may both be very logical and both might get angry or upset, but you will have to be the bigger person, Leo, and forgive and try and keep peace. And also, I do see that, look at that, some sort of a prize will come your way because of this gesture, because of this kindness and sweetness that's coming your way. So remember that. Also, let's see the last half of the year. Wow, I do see you will be recovering from the whatever. Wow, look at that. The Hierophant, the Hermit, the Hanged Man, three major arcanas, and the King of Wands. I do feel you are dealing with a very important person in the year 2022. You are dealing with the twin flame or the husband or wife of your future, like your husband, wife, or someone very, very, very important. King of Wands, yes, you will be gaining your power at the end of the year, Leo. So you are coming into your power, coming into your passion, and you will feel more yourself. The Hierophant, yes, I do feel chances of getting married, settling down, or even remarrying your partner. Again, you may decide to remarry your person, or you may celebrate an anniversary at the end of this year. I also feel for some of you, your relationships will be affected by family patriarchy, like, whether you should move in, you should go for a live in, or should you get married. So, those things will affect your relationships. The Hermit, yes, I do feel you will want to keep your relationship to yourself and not make it very public, because you want to protect your relationship and you will not make it very public. Also, your partner will be very wise. You both will be wiser by the end of the year because of what happened in the mid of the year. The hiccups, the tower moments will make you both very wiser and sober, but madly and passionately in love. The Hanged Man, yes, I do feel that at the end of the year also there will be some delays, but these delays will are actually making your love life more passionate. So, like, your partner may be busy at work, or you are busy at work, and you guys get to meet each other only at the weekends, but the passions are super high because of that. So keep that in mind, Leos. Let's see some advice for you. Let's see. Material and spiritual prosperity, and look at that, connecting with power. Yes, I told you, powerful breakthroughs. Material and spiritual prosperity. So yes, I do see that a lot of prosperity and spiritual progress will happen your way in your love life. I do see, if you are single, you are attracting someone who is extremely prosperous and well to do. Power, strength, yes, I do see that you are going to attract. You both are very powerful friends. No matter who you are attracting or whoever you are married to, you guys are going to be very, very strong together. You are a power couple, and sometimes power struggles may happen, but you can deal with it by choosing love. If you choose love, your relationships will only get better and better this year. But if you choose ego, Leos, oh my god, that can create some delays. Let's see your work and career now for Leos. The Two of Pentacles, the High Priestess, the Star, the Seven of Cups, the Chariot, and wow, you have so many major arcanas, and the Temperance. So let us see, friends, let us see. Two of Pentacles, High Priestess, the Star, the Temperance, the Seven of Cups, and the Chariot. So you start the year feeling a little confused, feeling like you need to make some choices in or changes in your work and career. Some of you may actually want to change. You may feel confused about what to do with your career. Some of you may actually want to leave your career, or you want to do two, three jobs, or you are handling, you have two, three options, and you are confused between them in this year at the start. But I feel you will be very, very busy this year, friends, because you could be handling two jobs, two roles, two positions, or you could be studying as well as working, friends. I do see some of you may start working for a cake shop. You might own a cake shop. You might start your own shops, businesses, some sort of a food joint or restaurant, a tea shop or something, a coffee shop, a cafeteria, and you will be busy. Because you also will be doing some other work, and you guys will be busy. So my God, you are very, very busy, Leos. But you start the year with choices in work and career, and you must listen to your intuition while making any decisions. Your intuition will be very, very sharp, friends, this year. So if you listen to your intuition, you will make right decisions for your career and your studies. The Chariot, yes, you will be very, very busy this year. Some of you could be traveling throughout the year. Some of you could be shifting, relocating. Also, your career will be going places. Some of you could actually be getting a very, very important job or an important deal this year, and it will change your career. It will boost your career. And not just your career, it will also boost your studies. Like something will happen and you are like, wow, this is huge what is happening for me. The star, your creativity will be super, super high. You will be very connected to your talents, your skills. You will also discover new talents and skills in yourself, friends. Yes, some of you may also become psychic, intuitive mediums, healers. All those kind of things will also attract you this year. Temperance, one thing you need to keep in mind, Leos, you have to stay balanced. You are very, very busy. You are very passionate about your work and career this year. You are very busy. Also, there is a lot of money and success, but you may neglect your health. So take care of your health. That is why sometimes you will have to forcefully rest yourself. Otherwise, you may risk health issues, friends. So don't do that. Take time. Take balance. Stay balanced. Take time to rest also, and relax also. Not just work, work, work. Let's see your advice now. Oh my God, that went down. I can't pick it up now. Manifestations and trust the universe. And let's take another one. Yeah, your manifestations are coming true. Hello, Leo. Very nice. Congratulations. Your manifestations are going to work this year. So, if you were facing delays in achieving your dreams and goals, this is the year when things will fall in your place, in their magical place by themselves. Some of you could also be having legal victories this year. Some of you may also be becoming doctors, lawyers, or something like some professional degrees, researchers. Trust the plan. Yes, trust the universe. You may not be sure what is happening right now. Some confusions may happen in 2022 also, but remember there is a higher plan. The universe knows best. Vulnerability and freedom. Yes, there is going to be freedom. The more sweet and kind you are, Leos, the more open and connected with your heart you are, the better this year will be. Try not to get involved too much in power struggles because that will happen, but try to avoid them, friends, because you have a great year, you have a very powerful year, and try not to react emotionally or through your ego. Try to stay positive, try to stay emotionally open. 2022 for Leo. All right, lots of charms came out. Let's see. So P, F, H, and E are important. So someone, he might be important, or Pei could be a name for some of you. Pei could be a name, or names like that. P, E, H, and F are important as initials, and the numbers are number 4. There is number 23, number 77 are important. Let's see, wedding bells. So yes, this is a year of important messages coming your way, breakthroughs coming your way. Some of you could be getting married. Some of you could also be getting some legal victories, some sort of contracts coming your way. Music will be very, very important. Music will also be healing for you. You could also be attracting a musician, a creative person. Casablanca. Yeah, I do feel this is like an award, a big recognition coming your way. The boot, yes, you are going places, friends. Also, take time for your health. Don't ignore your health. Take time for fitness and health also. This small leaf is about letting go. Let go of what you cannot control. Elephant, listen. Keep your eyes open. Keep your ears open. Intuition, listen. Boxing gloves, yes. There may be difference of opinion, there may be relationship struggles, conflicts, ego issues, power struggles, but please do not let it affect you. Secret lover, a secret admirer is coming your way, friends. Yes, in the year 2022 for our beautiful Leos, and look at that. Angel heart, you are very protected, very, very protected. Your relationships are really, really sacred and strong. They will be tested, but you will recover. Look at that, two butterflies. You and your person both are changing. Nothing to worry about. Bicycle. Yes, I do feel, At a slow and steady pace. Sorry, friends. Your year is moving at a slow and steady pace. Also, again, take some time out, go on a vacation, have a holiday. Reunions will happen. The pineapple is about a reunion with a friend or a lover or with family members. This bead is about money coming your way. Iron, you will be working very hard. This is a busy year for you. The beat, this drum beat is about, I do feel music is important. Yeah, see again, look at that. The violin is here. So, yeah, friends, you could be learning some new music instruments also, or some sort of an art and hobby, and it will change your life. And growth, yes, expansion is coming. Some of you may also be having twin children this year. So, yes, congratulations. Three of air, yes, some of you may actually spend some time this year at a retreat. You may go on a retreat, a spiritual retreat or a healing retreat for 3 4 months or for a month, or you may take some time off from working and just enjoy and chilling. So yes, September is important. Six of Years, yes, your life is moving forward. Patience, yes, please stay patient. A soulmate is coming your way. Don't give up. Knight of Coins, Cancer's Capricorn. I don't know why I said Cancer. Maybe Cancer person is important. A Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus is important. Five of Cups. There will be certain disappointments. Someone missing you from the past. King of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. Mouse. Yeah, you feeling a little. Keep your curiosity high, friends, this year. Snake, big transformation. This is your year of transformations, and look at that. Something will happen that will make you feel smiley, lovey dovey. So that's it for now, Leos. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C from Magic Wednesday saying bye bye.